Welcome back everyone. Welcome to my channel SAP Learning Studio Decoding Finance and Controlling. So today we'll learn about the one of the component of the enterprise structure, that is company. So there is a difference between company and a company code. Remember this. Both are the independent of each other. A company is a unit to which your financial statements are created and can have one to many company codes assigned to it. What does it mean? It means that in our simple term, company is a group while company code is a legal entity. Okay? Company means company is a group and company code is a legal entity in terms of. So for an example, these are just notional example. Reliance Group, while Reliance is a group, while Reliance Petrochem, Geo, Reliance Marts are the company codes. Okay, we can assign many company codes to one company, so all the group of companies can be assigned to one company. To configure the company, we SPRO path is SPRO enterprise structure definition financial accounting define company. We don't have any T code for the same. Now we move on to our definition. Now we'll create a company in a system. Type SPRO in your command bar, then SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Click on new entry. We'll create our company called SLS1. Company name is SLS Limited. Okay, you can enter the street 1, PO box, city, let's say Mumbai, country India, language English, and currency is INR. Then press enter and then click on save icon. Now prompt for the customizing request. So those who are new to the SAP, the customizing request, we call it transport request, TR, is the way through which we transport our changes through the different landscape like development, quality, and the different systems. Development, quality, pre-prod, and production. So we'll create a new request for this and we will save it. So we have clicked on the create request, we enter the description and we save it. Okay, so only one thing needs to be remembered here is that company represent a group in SAP while company code represents a legal entity. We also create a trading partner as a company in SAP. Thanks everyone. You can like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.